What's up guys, it's Ryan with the MXG channel and AOMC, and I've got it here. Not only my favorite model right now, but my favorite model wrapped up in one of the coolest looking setups I've seen in a while. And I say that about this bike every year. It's the KTM 300 XC-W ErzbergRodeo edition. And the last few years, it's been kind of an orange and gold scheme. This year they moved to the gray. You guys, if you watch this channel for very long, you know I'm a huge fan of the gray. More gray the better, in my opinion. This has got enough gray and orange to really set it off. I mean, it's just, you can't really stop looking at it, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. So, like I said, it is a 2023 KTM 300 XC-W. If you're not familiar with the XC-Ws, they are still the same generation that they've been for the last 2 or 3 years. So this bike's virtually, you know, it's got no changes besides the special add-ons, meaning that it's TPI, transfer port injection, and not TBI. I've seen confusion on the internet, people commenting on my videos saying that 23 models are TBI. Only the XCs, guys, not the XC-Ws. They're still TPI. What are they going to be next year? We still don't know. KTM hasn't let the cat out of the bag yet. But back to this bike, it's my favorite off-road bike, guys. If you're not doing super high speed off-road racing, you're just doing single track riding, or you're somewhere here in the mountains of Appalachia like I am, this 300 XC-W is unbeatable. The ground clearance you get from the PDS shock, the way the power comes home with this is a little bit milder than the XC. It's not quite as twitchy, doesn't wear you out as much. Perfect for single track riding, you know, single track racing. If you're doing high speed stuff, you know, you might want an XC. But let's talk about what makes this bike different from a regular 300 XC-W for just a moment. Obviously you can see the graphics, the colors, but we'll get into that in just a moment. I'd like to start with the orange anodized CNC triple clamps. Those things are sick. Additionally, we've got the factory wheels with orange anodized hubs and nipples. Those are the same wheels I have on my factory edition KTM 450 XCF. On the back, or SXF, I'm sorry, on the back, you've got the orange Super Sprox Stealth rear sprocket. And then, of course, the brake disc guard right there. Solid disc on the back of this wheel. Just looks stunning. No gold chain, but still looks really good. You're gonna get the orange seat cover that also comes on the factory editions. Love it. This bike also comes with an orange oil plug, which is not in it at the moment. All right, now let's talk about what can help this bike in hard enduro. So first of all, it's got the front and rear pull straps. This bike doesn't have them installed, but they do come with the bike. Pull strap right here, pull strap right here. Those are super handy in hard enduro situations. Next, very important, this bike comes with a radiator fan. So, you know, two strokes don't normally have a problem getting hot, except when you get into riding like hard enduro, and that fan can really extend the life of your engine and save you if you get stuck in a spot, end up getting that motor really hot. So continuing on, this bike actually comes stock with the swing arm tab guard already installed. So that's pretty cool. It's a common problem we've seen on those. We also offer a line of those from our in-house brand Amp. You got clutch slave cylinder protection right there. You get a front brake disc guard. I already mentioned the solid rear brake disc. I already mentioned the rear brake disc guard for disc fin. It just looks sweet. The rear brake comes already safety wired, so you're not going to snag that on things. And you get full wraparound hand guards. These things, yes, they are like a plastic or a composite, but they are strong, guys. These do work well as bark busters. So this is just a bike if you're going to ride hard enduro anyway. Yeah, it hurts me because it's a shame to take this thing out and get it so dirty so fast in hard enduro, but it saves you a lot of work. Stuff's already set up, already ready to go. So let's talk about the graphics, the colors. The color scheme, like I said, it used to be orange and gold. It's had a lot of gray added to it, but these graphics took it a step further this year. If you look closely, if you look from back here, it looks like it just says World Extreme Enduro Supreme ErzbergRodeo. But if you get closer to it, these things are pretty cool, guys. So they have checkpoints from the ErzbergRodeo in the graphics. So like right here is like Machine, Elevator, Carl's Diner, a few more, Dynamite, and of course these graphics are embossed. So this is my bike. First thing I do is take these off and save them, hang them on the wall or something, because these are sweet. But just one step further, you know, the graphics kind of tell a story, and each one of those little checkpoints tells a story. So this bike does already have a skid plate on it. I see a lot of people asking about that. But yeah, guys, besides the bling, it's just a KTM 300 XC-W, tried and true. These bikes have been out in their form for 4 years now. You'll see tons of them at the racetrack. Awesome machine. So now, next questions you guys want to know: when are they available? They're available now, but if you haven't reached out to your dealer or put a deposit down, you better do it right now, because most dealers only get one of these. Some dealers don't even get one, guys. As of publishing this video, somehow, some way, this bike is still available at AOMC. So call AOMC, ask for John in sales, tell him that you saw this video and you want the Erzberg, and hopefully he can hook you up. The MSRP on this is going to be $12,649. That's going to come in at about $1,550 more than the regular model. But fellas, I've done the math. Once you add up all these KTM power parts, you cannot build one for this price. So if you're going to do hard enduro, you want a very cool rare bike, and you want a lot of this protective and cool KTM power parts, this is the cheapest way to get it. All financed in, all ready. So it's just a sweet bike, guys. If I could pick one off-road bike, cost aside, this is what I would get for sure. So all right, leave a little comment down below and let me know what you think of this bike. And I appreciate all you guys watching. Please buy your parts from AOMC and support them, since they support this channel. Hit the like button, subscribe, join the race team. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.